Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are three exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Legend can find the odd number 26. Fantastic work. This one is the odd number 26. Only sharp eyes can find the odd creamy coleslaw within time. Super job! You find the odd healthy food within time. You are smart, then find the odd letter T. Yes, you are smart. You find the odd letter T. Are you a number ninja master? Then find the odd number 43. Excellent work. This one is the odd number. Think fast, find smart, find the odd ramen food within time. Yes, this one is the odd ramen food. Detective eyes can find the imposter letter like SH. Wow, you have amazing eyes. You find the odd letter. Are you a puzzle master? Then find the number 29. Amazing work. This one is the odd number. You faster than a computer. Find the odd classic salad within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd salad. Math lover can solve the addition quiz like 11, 5 and 7. "23" is the correct answer. Super eyes can find the camouflage number like 98. Super job, you identify the different numbers. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd letter like NLV? perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Another healthy food edition, find the protein salad within 10 seconds. Yes, this one is the different protein salad. Can you identify the different number like 132? Good job, you find the odd number within time. Are you a alphabet spy? Then find the letter Q-U-E. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Looks simple but not easy. Find the odd rice bowl within time. Correct find. This one is the odd rice bowl. Are you smart? Then find the different number within 10 seconds. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve these math quiz within time? The A option is the correct option. Deductive eyes can find the avocado salad within time. Mind blowing, you find the odd avocado salad. Test your observation skill, find the odd number within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Genius, we'll pick the odd letter like R, B, D. Awesome, you pick the odd letter within time. Can you identify the different vegetable salad within time? Fantastic work, you pick the odd vegetable salad. Can you find the strange number within 10 seconds? Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Letter hunter can spot the odd letter like X, G, X. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Only 5% can find the odd fruit salad within 10 seconds. Amazing work. This one is the odd fruit salad. Impossible to find the number 389. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Puzzle master can find the rule breaker letter like PSO. I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which food do rabbits mostly enjoy? Rabbits mostly enjoy food is carrot. Test your IQ. Find the number 657. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the different letter within 10 seconds? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Can you find the unique number like 379? Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done. Hard level start. 99% failed to find the Greek salad within time. Yes, this one is a different Greek salad. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? You faster than a computer, find the odd mixed salad. Good job! This one is the odd mixed salad. Visual eyes challenge, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brain booster, can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.